Okay, so I was walking around town, have a look at the second-hand shops. They don't really have anything. As I was walking back, I came to the conclusion I'm going to need to build my own bed frame. It's not the end of the world. I would have had to modify something to custom fit anyway. The only issue is the material because I don't have the wood, and I'm not going to order it because it'll take days. It's Sunday. I need the room ready on Friday because my family are coming to visit. So I have only a couple of days. Evenings even. So here is the game plan. Tomorrow I will go to the store, I'll get the wood. The good thing about getting it from the store directly is that they can cut it for me. So I'll get them to cut it for me then and there. The issue will be bringing it home. Because the longest piece is gonna be 188 centimeters, which is 2 meters. And I could take it with me on the bus, but I just don't want to get in anyone's way. So I'll have to go quite late. I'll have to go as late as I can, basically. But that's okay. I just need to make sure I've got all my measurements done. For now, I'm going to finish my clara, have some snacks, and then get started with some smaller DIY projects. Cheers.
A few moments later.
Yesterday was a holiday here, so I wasn't able to go and buy the things I needed to buy. So I was just doing some odd jobs that I could do. So I didn't feel like I was wasting time. I feel like things have been a bit stagnant in the last week. So now I'm on my way to get the wood for the bed, and hopefully we can do that tonight.
This is Mambo number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa.
Okay. Hello friends. So I went to the store, I got the wood for the bed. I brought it home all by myself on the buses. And it's 9 p.m, 9:11. It's 9:11. This bed is going to get built tonight, come hell or high water. So I'm going to challenge myself to do it within an hour. The pieces are mostly already cut. There's 3 other pieces that I need to cut just to get the angle. But yeah, I'm going to challenge myself to get it done within an hour. So like I said, 9:11, 9:12 now. Let's go. Let's see how long it takes me. You also might notice that it's a bit dark in this room now because you saw me put up the new lampshade. And I don't like it. It makes it really dark. So I'm going to take it off for now and try and figure out something else. It might be an empty lampshadeless light for the coming days and for the reveal. But oh well, let's see. Anyway, let's go make a bed. Lovely. You can't see me. I am very proud of this. Tomorrow I'll do the what do you call them? Do the gas straps. I'm not going to do that tonight. But yeah, bed is made. It is 11:02, so it took me an hour and 40 minutes. But I have to say, about half an hour of that was cutting 3 pieces of wood because I was doing it by hand because I didn't want to do it on my saw. So, yeah, it would have been a bit faster had that not happened. But yeah, I wanted to do it in an hour. I did it with an hour and 40. I'm glad I got all these bits pre-cut. Let me get up and talk to you. Yeah, I'm glad I got all these bits pre-cut at the store. It just made it a bit quicker than having to cut all myself. Even though getting them home from the store was a lot. I think I'm going to end this episode here. And then the last one is going to be the final pieces of this room makeover. I know I said last time this was going to be the last episode, but things take longer than expected. So yeah, pretty proud of this. And in the next one, we'll be finishing this room. And it's Tuesday, and I've got to get it finished by Friday anyway, so it has to be done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!